digging the foundation, compacting the base, placing the reinforcements, and concreting over the foundation plate. Of course, all the steps are vital since the quality of the foundation affects the whole building process. Thoroughness pays. Any imprecision at the beginning is hard to make up for later on. When the foundation concrete has set, you can start bricklaying. Ytong blocks are delivered packed on pallets in precisely the quantity required by the project plans. They can help with unloading too. If required, a vehicle equipped with a special C-hanger can help to unload the pallets quickly and carefully. Don't start to lay the first tier of blocks until you've torched the insulating tar paper. Later on, a mortar bed for bricklaying can be laid on the hydro insulation layer. Layer of lime cement under the whole surface of the block. Make the block stable by tapping on it with a rubber mallet. At the same time, check the block is level in both directions. Using a spirit level, check the height setting of the blocks in all corners. Stretch a line and start to build the wall. Lay the first tier of blocks in lime cement. The mortar thickness varies depending on the unevenness of the surface. In the corners, join the blocks with Ytong thin layer bricklaying mortar. The handles, tongues and grooves enable comfortable and precise laying of the blocks without any further corrections. Do not mortar the tongue and groove joints. The other tiers of blocks are glued solely with Ytong thin bricklaying mortar. Before applying the mortar, clean all the dust and dirt off the block's surface. Spread the mortar under the whole surface of the blocks. Leave an overhang for thermal insulation of the base. For outer walling, the most suitable blocks are 375mm Ytong lambdas. They are not thermally insulated since the thermal insulating features of Ytong are excellent. If Ytong tools are employed, the labour becomes easier and more efficient. Ensure good bonding of blocks. Extending profiles can be flushed easily with a plane. If there is any unevenness, it can be planed. Sweep the surface before laying another tier of blocks. Make sure that overlapping blocks are perpendicular and vertically aligned. If you use blocks without tongues and grooves, apply adhesive mortar even on their vertical sides. For inner load-bearing walling, use 250 or 300mm blocks for higher strength. Ytong aerated concrete strength is the same in all directions, so you can turn the blocks as you please, keeping their load-bearing capacity the same.
It took me a while to learn the ropes, but the master bricklayer was patient with me, explaining everything. Ytong thin layer mortar is used for bricklaying. I understood why the mortar is called glue. It has similar properties.
Preparation of the mortar is very easy. All you need to do is mix it with an ordinary electric drill, so you don't need a mixer at the building site. The mortar is applied in thin layers. Much less of it is used in this way than if the classic technology is employed. It's good to reinforce masonry under window openings. Since aerated concrete is easy to tool, reinforcing is plain sailing.